So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a table inside your presentation here on Keynote. So once Keynote's open up for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead here and add a new blank slide so you guys can't see any writing or anything. Now to add a table, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top, press on the table icon right here. Once you're here, you can actually scroll through a bunch of different tables that you want. So if you wanted to maybe use like this pink and purple one right here, you can do that. You can go ahead and drag this, make this as large or as small as you want. If you want to, add some more rows, add some more columns, you can do that simply just by pressing on the lines, just like that. And if you want to delete it, press on this, or press on the table, press delete, and there you go. So super simple, super straightforward. That is how to add a table into your presentation here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.